Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we asked questions from Copilot about our flow. In this video, we will learn to use variables in Power Automate. Let's get started. We will go to Power Automate, create an instant cloud flow, manually trigger a flow and name it. Select connector type as built-in, go to variables and select initialize variable. Here, the name of the variable is name, its type is string and its value is Madhav. Now we will use this action post message in a chat or channel. We will use post as Flowbot and post in as chat with Flowbot. After adding all the details, we will continue with saving and testing this flow. Here we have received this message. It means our flow ran successfully. Now, if we want to change the value of this variable in the later steps of our flow, we can use the set variable action. Now, I am changing the name from Madhav to Nishant. Now, let's copy this post message step and use it after set variable step. Here I am changing the content of the message so that we can easily identify different messages. Now we will continue to save and test this flow. As we can see, we have received both these messages. This means our flow ran successfully. And that's it. In the next video, we will implement a practical use case scenario of using variables in Power Automate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.